Good afternoon, boys and girls. How are we doing today? Good, that's awesome. So today we're going to be working on math word problems. And like we have done before, we can count 1 to 20. So can we all do that together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good job, boys and girls. So, just a little question. Has anyone ever been to the grocery store before with their family? Raise your hand. Okay. And if you have been to the grocery store, which everyone has raised their hand, did your family ever add any prices together to see how much they were spending? Yeah? Okay. So today in our lesson, we're going to be doing that. But our first problem is, if I have 12 pieces of candy and my friend gives me 6 more pieces, how many pieces in total do I have? So this is going to be our little warm-up to start the day. So like I said, it's on the board for you guys. So if you could take a couple minutes to kind of figure it out and then share with your partners what you think the answer is, and I'll read it again. If I have 12 pieces of candy and my friend gives me 6 more, how many pieces of candy do I have in total? Okay, so just take a couple minutes, figure it out on your own, write on your notebook, figure out the answer, and then you can share with your partners, and we'll come back in a couple minutes. Okay, that's how you figured it out? You use counters. Okay, that's awesome. Okay, good job, boys and girls. Okay, good job. Okay, so we had a couple different ways on how to actually solve this. Now, some of you just did 12 plus 6, and you wrote it down in arithmetic form, and you solved it for that. Some of you used counters, some of you used pictures. So can I have a couple of you come up and share your answers? Okay, go ahead. Okay, so what did you do? You drew pictures. Awesome. So what was 12 plus 6? You got 18. Show of hands, anyone else get 18? Okay. Can I have another student come up to the board and show what they got? Okay, so you did 2 plus 6, which was 8, and then 1 plus 0, because there was no other number in that column. So you got 18 also. Good job. Can I have one more? Okay, you can show your counters how you did it. Okay, so basically what you did was you put 12 counters out and then 6 counters and you counted them all. That's also another way that you can do that. Good job, boys and girls. Okay, so now we're going to do our grocery store worksheet, and you are going to do this with yourself, and then you will be with your partners after it to see what you guys got. So our first question, I'll read it out. I'll read the whole worksheet to you guys. If you guys have any other questions, just let me know. So the directions. Students will solve each word problem by using this grocery store key to fill in the equation. Jenna has bought milk and cheese. How much money will this cost her? Samantha bought cereal and orange juice. How much did it cost? Alex has bought milk and steak. How much did that cost? Steve bought milk and cereal. How much did he spend? So at the bottom of the worksheet, it has the prices and the picture of what it is. So let's go over it real quick, boys and girls. So for our milk, it is $3. Okay. And for our, what does our cheese say? What'd you guys get for cheese? $7, okay. And for our steak, $14, good job. And for our cereal, $12, good job. And for our orange juice, $8, good job, boys and girls. So the key is at the bottom of everyone's worksheet, so you can use this. So what we're going to do is we're going to do the first problem together, okay? So if Jenna has bought milk has bought milk and cheese, how much money will this cost her? So think of it alone. So milk was $3 and cheese was $7. So you can use your counters. I would try to do it without counters first. You can draw a picture. You can use tally marks. You can do any way you want to in order to find the answer. So I'll give you guys a couple minutes. Okay, so what was our answer? If Jenna has bought milk and cheese, how much money will this cost her? If milk is $3 and cheese is $7, can I have someone answer? $10. Good job, boys and girls. So for now 2, 3, and 4, I want you guys to work on your own and figure out the problem. And once you're done, we will come back together after you work with your partners. I'm going to walk around, ask a couple questions for to you and your partners, see what you guys are thinking. So I'll give you about a couple minutes to work on this, okay? Okay, boys and girls, so now that you guys have finished, we're going to go over problems 2, 3, and 4. So number 2 was Samantha bought cereal and orange juice. How much did it cost? Cereal was $12 and orange juice was $8. Can I have a volunteer? What'd you get? $20. Good job. Okay, our second question. Alex has bought milk and steak. How much did it cost? If milk is $3 and steak is $14. What'd you guys get? $17. Good job. Steve bought milk and cereal. How much did he spend? If milk is $3 and the cereal is $12. 15. Good job, boys and girls. So now using these, I want you guys to come up with your own word problem and then have your partner figure it out, and then we'll look at a couple examples and see what you guys made. Okay, so can I have a volunteer come to the board and share what they made? Okay. So you bought cheese and orange juice. Okay, so if our orange juice is $8 and our cheese is $7, can someone guess how much that is? What'd you get? 14? Do we agree? Put a thumbs up. I see some thumbs down. So let's kind of figure out this together. Pull out your counters and get 8 counters in one line and 7 counters in the other line. Okay? Now let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Good job, boys and girls. So cheese and orange juice would be $15. So now let's do another one. Okay, you bought orange juice and milk. So orange juice is $8 and milk is $3. So together, how much would that be? We got 11. Thumbs up if we agree. 11. Good job. Let's use our counters again just to check ourselves and make sure. So if we have 8 counters, put them out, and then 3 counters. Let's see if we can count on this time. So we know the top is 8, so let's go to the bottom. 9, 10, 11. So orange juice and milk would be $11. Good job, boys and girls. Okay, so I have a final question. So why, in our lesson today, was it important to understand addition? And I know you use it in your classrooms. You're going to use it in math, in my classroom, and all throughout your grades. But why do you think it's important to use it outside of the classroom? To count your groceries, to count money. Those are very good examples, boys and girls. What was one way to show your work when you solved the problem? Use counters. Good job. Pictures. Awesome job. Okay, so now you're going to pass forward your grocery store worksheet, and I'll collect them, and make sure you put your pencils and crayons away and sit there quietly, and we'll call sections of tables up to go to our next activity. Thank you.